Global climate change is one of the major problems that has no boundary. The impact of climate change is also being felt in a small state like Manipur in the last few decades. Rise in temperature, heavy and unseasonal rainfalls, floods, and at the same time droughts are increasing day by day. The main causes are the harmful gases emitted by vehicles, factories, burning of plastic products, and deforestation. A team of Impact TV undertook a trip to Kangpokpi in Senapati district and encountered a new settlements in the Kobru Hills range by clearing the forest. This is a small example, but similar circumstances could be seen in other parts of the range. If the authorities concerned do not take timely actions, the situation in Manipur will only worsen. This news is a part of the Impact Green campaign.
15 years back, there was no settlement around this Kobru Hill range. But as we see, lots of people are residing in these areas. So, this is one of the main reasons of deforestation in Manipur. With camera person Inau Mucha in Kangpokpi, Vidyarni Tinguzam, Impact News.